Bringing together financiers, operators, people from different sectors to really bring to the fore the best thinking and the best minds around the opportunities for the industry going forwards.
I've been coming here since 2012. I come every year.
What this event brings is the ability to form partnerships, to collaborate, because that is the way to move forward.
It is the agenda, and it's on everybody's lips right now. ESG. What are we going to do? How do we cope with this?
The energy transition is enormous. We need to do terawatt hours of new clean energy. And that means doing some big things.
Companies need to invest to reduce the emissions from the production process of oil and gas. And actually those emissions are as big as all the cars globally.
Investors are looking at ESG as one of the key investment criteria today, and that was not the case like 2 or 3 years ago. So that has an impact on public companies today.
It's now been recognised that this is something that we can do as an industry to really help the planet.
An event like this is just a fantastic opportunity to reach out to more clients, meet more people, do more networking.
It's the mixture of people here, right? From the finance community, the legal community, the operators, the deal makers. And I think that's unique in the marketplace.
They provide not just the proximity for people to bump into each other, but it's sort of a temperature check of the industry.
And this is always here at the WECA a good opportunity to have everyone talking about the same, exchanging ideas with the banks, with the oil and gas companies, and look for the future.
It's been a fabulous event today, and really looking forward to coming back in future years. So thank you very much for the opportunity.